I started my astrophotography adventure back in March of 2021. Armed with only a camera, telephoto lens, and tripod, and absolutely zero idea what I was doing, I wanted to try. My first attempt was the Andromeda Galaxy. It was that moment I knew I was hooked. Fast forward to September of 2021, I finally had my first tracker, my first telescope, and I was ready to go. The first night out with my new equipment was supposed to be more of a run-through, figuring out how to set up things, how to acquire a target, but I decided to give it a try and point my telescope at the North American Nebula. I didn't have a field flattener at this point, but decided to try 20 90-second shots. And just a couple months before the posting of this video, I retried M31, Andromeda. This is truly a great telescope. I'm proud to be a member of the SV503 family.